You talk about complex rules, and that makes me ask the question that I get asked all the time. With our QoE, it's DPI based, meaning deep packet inspection.
Yep.
And a lot of guys said that they had experience with DPI based solutions and they made their mind hurt. They were so complex. Is our QoE very complex to install and implement?
Actually, it's very easy to install and implement. In fact, the implementation of it, you don't even have to bother about integrating your billing system. Everybody always asks about that. You can get most of the performance without integrating it into your billing, because the QoE box itself looks at all the IP addresses and gives you all the flows. So to me, the best implementation of it is to put it in, get the benefit from the TCP optimizer immediately, then put in a simple couple of rules for streaming traffic versus bulk traffic versus voice and gaming. And that will give you a whole bunch, I don't know what percentage, but a good percentage of the benefit of using QoE. What you do after that is, if you want to put in, once you've understood that you're getting a benefit, you then integrate with your billing system, and then you can see which customers are doing what, and you can start doing rules for different customer packages. So you don't need to do that up front. It's very simple and very easy to implement without integrating it into your billing.